Yo, what's up guys? So I showed you how to do the sine rule, and if you can understand how to do those questions in those videos, then you can probably answer any sine rule question. So I thought I'd go through this special case, which is a really good question to come out in the exam. And basically it's this question here. So we have a triangle, okay, and we have to find theta. Now the question actually told us that theta is obtuse. Okay, and it looks like from the triangle as well, just by the looks of it, that it does look like an obtuse angle, right? Obtuse meaning it's greater than 90 degrees, but still less than 180. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of address this obtuse part towards the end, okay? But let's try to solve this as usual, okay? I'm gonna use the sine rule, and I'm gonna say sine theta over 4.9 is equal to sine 21 degrees 31 minutes over 3.7. Sine theta is equal to 4.9 times okay, and then if we sine inverse everything on the right hand side and you put it in your calculator, we get this 29 degrees and 4 minutes. Okay, now we did everything correct, right? But we got this angle 29 degrees. Now that's a very small angle, right? Like this is 20 degrees, it's a very tight angle, whereas we see theta, it's obtuse, right? The question told us that it's obtuse. Now this is why we have a special case going on, okay? And basically, if we were to answer this question for like, say, for 0 to 180, as opposed to only thinking about 0 to 90, right? If we only think about 0 to 90, then this is the answer. But if we open up the possible solutions to 0 to 180, right, including obtuse angles, what we can do is we can go back to our trigonometry and remember our all stations to central, or all students take calculus, right? ASTC. If it's between 0 and 180, that means this one and this one, and in both of those our sine value is positive, so that's fine, that's good. Okay, so instead of saying only 29 degrees and 4 minutes, it's also 180 minus 29 degrees and 4 minutes, okay, to address this second quadrant. Okay, so theta is equal to, so we already had this number, so the real answer is 150 degrees and 56 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna write it again. Therefore, theta is equal to 150 degrees and 56 minutes. Okay, so hopefully that made sense. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. But that pretty much covers everything about the sine rule. Cool, I'll catch you guys in the next one.